If you want to set up Samsung Wallet on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, you will need to use your smartphone to actually set up the wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Wearable app, and then in here in Wearable, you want to go to the settings of your watch, and then in here we can find the wallet option. Now in here, of course, you might need to set up your Samsung Wallet first on your smartphone to be able to actually continue setting up Samsung Wallet on your Galaxy Watch 9. In my case, I am already signed into my account and so on, so I just have to tap on continue here. There we go. You will also have to set up a password for your Galaxy Watch 9 to be able to use Samsung Wallet. So of course, you can set it up very easily by tapping on Set Lock over here. You can also do this on your watch, so we can tap on settings in here and select the preferred type. There we go. I'm gonna set up an example PIN code, enter the password twice in order to continue. There we go. And now in here we have the option to add a payment card to watch. So if you have a card already added to your Samsung Wallet, then you should be able to choose the payment card here from this list. So we can go to payment cards and then we can, of course, choose it. There we go. Here is my example card. So I can now just simply tap on activate in order to be able to use it with my Galaxy Watch 9. And then you can just simply follow the instructions that you will see on the phone, on the screen of your smartphone. You might also need to verify yourself by reaching the bank, or maybe the bank is going to have an automatic call with you where you will have to get a verification code or things like that. So of course you will have to go through that, and then you should be able to, of course, use your Galaxy Watch 9 and pay with it by using the Samsung Wallet. In addition to that, the Samsung Wallet app is going to be installed on your Galaxy Watch 9, so you should be able to find it afterwards. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.